Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Ahmad Rizki Pranata from class MNJ23C with NPM 2341015. On this occasion, I will guide all of you through a video tutorial on how to compile e-filing, especially in managing incoming and outgoing letters digitally. The steps that I will show later aim to simplify the administration process to be more organized and efficient. Before going into practice, let's first briefly understand what e-filing is. E-filing is an electronic filing system used to store administrative documents in digital form. This system not only makes it easier to search for documents, but also speeds up the workflow and avoids the hurting of physical archives that are at risk of being lost or damaged. In its application, e-filing includes two main types of letters, namely incoming and outgoing letters. Incoming letters are documents that we receive from outside parties, while outgoing letters are documents that we send to other parties. Both types of letters need to be recorded and archived quickly so that the entire communication and administration process runs smoothly. Okay, now let's go straight to practice. I will start filling in the incoming mail data on the e-filing form. At this stage, I enter some important information based on the available letter documents. The columns that are filled in include date received, date of letter, letter number, sender, subject, forwarded to, archive code, and archive link. All of this data must be taken directly from the contents of the physical letter so that the archiving is truly accurate. For the archive link section, I open Google Drive where the scanned file is stored. I look for the incoming mail folder, then find the file according to the number or title of the letter. After that, I right-click, select Get Link, set the access to anyone with the link can view, then I paste it into the archive link column on the e-filing form. If there are still other incoming letters, the filling steps remain the same. Just repeat the process and adjust it to the contents of the next letter so that all data is documented correctly. After the incoming mail is finished, I continue to fill in the outgoing mail. The steps are quite similar except that there are additional columns such as the purpose of the letter and the signatory. I fill in the data based on the letter to be sent, then add an archive link taken from the outgoing mail folder in Google Drive. As before, the link is arranged and pasted into the form after ensuring the file is correct. After all incoming and outgoing mail has been successfully created and archived, the e-filing process is complete. By using this method, document management becomes more organized, quickly accessed, and safely stored. Hopefully, the tutorial I have provided can help my friends understand how e-filing works and can be applied easily. Thank you for watching. See you in another learning video.